Hey guys, we received this ZIYOO industrial style metal bed frame, king size for test and try. As you can see, it here comes in a really nice packing. I never see a bed packing like that with the individual boxes inside the box, so very protective. The instructions are pretty straightforward and clear, and the metal frame is there with the wood headboard and the footboard. As you can see it here with the side round corners, and the bed frame will be like this. So once this is easy install, and you can see like the round corners from the sides, and then the have the metal slates or the metal bed slates. So this gives more durability, and you can just see it here. This fits really well on the sides and things, and this fits really well to a king mattress as well. So from the sides and things, this looks really good. No issues. I'm just showing you the side. Looks nice as well with the wall and the metal frame. Holds the king mattress really well. No size issue and non-pinching things because of the round corner. Overall, a nice king size bed.